Welcome back to tenorshare. Many people in our comments mentioned that they have a lot of data in WhatsApp and want a better way to back it up in case of data loss. Some people may do it on iCloud, but if you're running out of iCloud storage or WhatsApp can't fully back up your data and you want to back up your data safely on your own computer so that you can restore them to any phone you want, we can use iCareFone transfer to do this. Let's dive right in. This tool is specifically designed to back up and transfer message data like WhatsApp without relying on iCloud. You can back up your WhatsApp messages on your computer whenever you like for free and manually, and it's easy to restore it. I will leave the free download link below for you guys to try out. Here I will show you how to do this. After install the software, connect your phone to your computer. Then open iCareFone transfer. Select WhatsApp. This method not only backs up your WhatsApp data, but also allows you to easily transfer chats between devices, view your backups, and even restore specific messages when you need them. Now let's select Backup. Then click Backup Now to do a local backup on your computer. It will back up your WhatsApp quickly. If you have lots of data, it might take a little bit longer. When it's done, then you can see all your backup files here. And you can view the data on your computer. If you do a new backup next time, the earlier backup will also be listed here. It will not automatically delete it, and you can choose to restore it easily. No need to reinstall WhatsApp or erase your phone. Now let's try to restore this backup on a different phone. Just choose the backup you want and select Restore to iOS. Then click Restore Now. If you have data on this new iPhone, you can also back it up. If not, you can restore it now. Then your phone will restart, then restore the backup on WhatsApp. All you have to do is to log in your account again. Remember to skip the iCloud backup. Now all the data you backed up before will be restored. It's that easy to do. And since the data was backed up on your computer, it will not disappear and will be more privacy friendly. Okay, I hope this video helped you solve your issue. If you found it useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tips. Leave a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video.